Have you ever wondered how monumental space missions come to life? What happens when two of the most influential entities in space exploration join forces? Today, we're diving into the fascinating story of NASA and Boeing's partnership. This collaboration has not only pushed the boundaries of what's possible but has also paved the way for future space exploration. Join me as we explore the intricacies, successes, and future potential of this remarkable alliance. Buckle up, because this journey is filled with innovation, determination, and a relentless pursuit of excellence. NASA, the United States' premier space agency, has been at the forefront of space exploration for over 6 decades. Known for iconic missions like the Apollo moon landings and the Mars rovers, NASA's mission is to pioneer the future in space exploration, scientific discovery, and aeronautics research. Boeing, a global aerospace giant, has a rich history of innovation in aircraft and spacecraft design, playing a crucial role in space missions since the early days of space exploration. The partnership between NASA and Boeing is a testament to the power of collaboration. By combining NASA's extensive experience in space exploration and Boeing's cutting-edge aerospace technology, this partnership aims to achieve unprecedented milestones. One of the most notable projects stemming from this collaboration is the Commercial Crew Program, which seeks to develop safe, reliable, and cost-effective human space transportation systems. The Commercial Crew Program was born out of a need to re-establish America's ability to launch astronauts from U.S. soil after the Space Shuttle program ended in 2011. NASA sought to involve private companies in this effort, fostering a new era of public-private partnerships in space exploration. Boeing was one of the key players selected to develop a spacecraft capable of carrying astronauts to and from the International Space Station, ISS. Enter the CST-100 Starliner, Boeing's answer to NASA's call for a new crew transport vehicle. The Starliner is designed to carry up to 7 astronauts or a combination of crew and cargo to the ISS and other low Earth orbit destinations. The spacecraft boasts advanced features, including automated docking systems, robust life support systems, and enhanced safety measures. It's designed for reusability, with the capability to be refurbished and flown multiple times, reducing the cost of access to space. The journey of the Starliner has been one of both triumphs and challenges. One of the significant milestones was the Orbital Flight Test, OFT, in December 2019. This uncrewed mission aimed to demonstrate the spacecraft's ability to reach and dock with the ISS. However, shortly after launch, a software issue caused the spacecraft to enter an incorrect orbit, preventing it from reaching the ISS. Despite this setback, the mission provided valuable data that led to crucial improvements. NASA and Boeing's collaborative spirit shone brightly in the aftermath of OFT. A comprehensive review was conducted to identify the root causes of the failure, and Boeing committed to extensive software upgrades and additional testing. This rigorous approach culminated in the successful Orbital Flight Test 2, OFT-2, in 2021. The spacecraft reached its intended orbit and successfully docked with the ISS, validating the improvements and showcasing the resilience of the teams involved. The collaboration between NASA and Boeing extends beyond the development of the Starliner. It encompasses a wide range of projects aimed at advancing space exploration and technology. For instance, Boeing plays a pivotal role in the Space Launch System, SLS, NASA's next-generation heavy-lift rocket designed to take humans deeper into space than ever before. The SLS will support missions to the Moon, Mars, and beyond, enabling ambitious exploration goals. In addition to their work on the SLS, Boeing is also involved in NASA's Artemis program, which aims to return humans to the Moon and establish a sustainable presence there by the end of the decade. The Artemis missions will pave the way for human exploration of Mars, with the first crewed mission to the Red Planet planned for the 2030s. Boeing's expertise in spacecraft design and human spaceflight is instrumental in making these ambitious goals a reality. One of the defining characteristics of the NASA-Boeing partnership is its focus on innovation and problem-solving. Space exploration is inherently risky, and the ability to adapt and overcome challenges is crucial. This partnership has demonstrated time and again that setbacks are not failures but opportunities to learn and improve. The resilience and determination of both organizations are evident in their approach to every mission and project. The benefits of the NASA-Boeing collaboration extend beyond the realm of space exploration. The advancements made through this partnership have far-reaching implications for technology, science, and industry. Innovations in spacecraft design, materials science, and automated systems have applications in various sectors, from aviation to healthcare. The knowledge gained from space missions contributes to our understanding of the universe and drives scientific progress on Earth. Looking to the future, the NASA-Boeing partnership holds immense potential. As we stand on the cusp of a new era in space exploration, this collaboration is poised to play a leading role in humanity's journey beyond Earth. The upcoming crewed missions on the Starliner, the continued development of the SLS, and the ambitious goals of the Artemis program all point to a future filled with exciting possibilities. The partnership between NASA and Boeing is more than just a collaboration between two organizations. It is a symbol of what can be achieved when the best minds come together with a shared vision. It represents the spirit of exploration, the pursuit of knowledge, and the unwavering belief that we can overcome any challenge through innovation and determination. To truly appreciate the depth and breadth of the NASA-Boeing partnership, it's important to look at some of the specific projects and missions that have defined this collaboration. The development of the CST-100 Starliner has been a significant chapter in the NASA-Boeing story. After the initial setbacks of the OFT mission, Boeing and NASA worked tirelessly to rectify the issues. The OFT-2 mission was a critical test, demonstrating the Starliner's ability to dock with the ISS and return safely to Earth. This success was a testament to the rigorous testing and problem-solving skills of both teams. The successful completion of OFT-2 also set the stage for the Crew Flight Test, CFT, which would carry astronauts aboard the Starliner for the first time. This mission was a pivotal moment, demonstrating the spacecraft's readiness to transport humans safely to and from the ISS. Another cornerstone of the NASA-Boeing partnership is the Space Launch System. The SLS is designed to be the most powerful rocket ever built, capable of carrying astronauts and cargo to the Moon, Mars, and beyond. Boeing's role in the SLS includes the development of the core stage, which houses the rocket's fuel and engines. This massive component is essential for the SLS's capability to lift heavy payloads into space. The SLS will be a critical component of NASA's Artemis missions, which aim to return humans to the Moon and establish a sustainable presence there. These missions will lay the groundwork for future manned missions to Mars, marking the next giant leap in human space exploration. The Artemis program represents the future of human space exploration. Named after the twin sister of Apollo, Artemis aims to land the first woman and the next man on the Moon by 2024. Boeing's involvement in the Artemis program includes not only the SLS but also the development of lunar landers and habitats. These technologies are essential for establishing a sustainable presence on the Moon and preparing for future missions to Mars. The Artemis missions will also involve international partners and private companies, creating a new era of collaboration in space exploration. The partnership between NASA and Boeing has led to numerous technological innovations. For example, advancements in materials science have resulted in lighter, stronger components for spacecraft. Automated systems developed for the Starliner and other projects have applications beyond space exploration, including in aviation and healthcare. These innovations have the potential to revolutionize industries and improve our quality of life here on Earth. The collaboration has also driven advancements in sustainability, with reusable spacecraft like the Starliner reducing the cost and environmental impact of space missions. Another important aspect of the NASA-Boeing partnership is its impact on education and outreach. Both organizations are committed to inspiring the next generation of scientists, engineers, and explorers. Through educational programs, internships, and public outreach, they aim to foster a passion for STEM, science, technology, engineering, and mathematics fields. This commitment to education ensures that the legacy of exploration and innovation will continue for generations to come. The collaboration between NASA and Boeing also has a significant global impact. By working with international partners, they are helping to create a global community of space explorers. This international collaboration is essential for addressing the challenges of space exploration and ensuring that the benefits of space technology are shared worldwide. Whether it's through partnerships with space agencies in other countries or working with international organizations, NASA and Boeing are helping to create a more connected and collaborative world. Looking ahead, the future of the NASA-Boeing partnership is filled with exciting possibilities. With upcoming missions to the Moon, Mars, and beyond, this collaboration will continue to push the boundaries of human exploration. The advancements made through this partnership will not only benefit space exploration but also have far-reaching implications for technology, industry, and society. As we stand on the threshold of a new era in space exploration, the partnership between NASA and Boeing will undoubtedly play a crucial role in shaping the future. The journey of NASA and Boeing is a testament to what can be achieved when the best minds come together with a common goal. It's a story of resilience, innovation, and the relentless pursuit of excellence. As we look to the future, we can be confident that this partnership will continue to drive progress and inspire the next generation of explorers. Thank you for joining me on this deep dive into the NASA-Boeing partnership. If you enjoyed this exploration of the incredible collaboration shaping the future of space exploration, please like, comment, and subscribe for more fascinating stories from the world of space exploration. Until next time, keep looking up and dreaming big. The journey to the stars is just beginning, and together, we will continue to push the boundaries of what is possible, one mission at a time. As we look to the stars, we are reminded of the boundless possibilities that lie ahead and the incredible potential of human ingenuity. The partnership between NASA and Boeing is more than just a collaboration, it is a symbol of what humanity can achieve when we work together towards a common goal. The future of space exploration is bright, and the possibilities are endless.